Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. So today I'm bringing you something different. I'm bringing the whiskey tiki cocktail. Well, for all of you guys that they are in paradise, but you do not want to give away the lovely taste of this whiskey. So please stick around and let me show you how we do it. All right, so the whiskey tiki cocktail. This is actually a fun cocktail that I saw over the internet, and I'm just making a couple adjustments that I believe they're going to bring the flavors a little bit more up from the original recipe. But I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys like it. So let's start actually building this little guy in our glass. Let's have some ice. Put it on our cocktail. And we're going to build it with 2 ounces of your bourbon of preference. Actually, I happen to be doing a little trip to San Luis Obispo, and you guys will see a very nice surprise of 1971. I will show you pretty soon. And actually, I was on the Amtrak train, and I took this little guy with me, which I really enjoyed to actually have a couple sips during my trip. That was actually very, very, very fun and very enjoyable. So 2 ounces of the bourbon. We're gonna go for 1 ounce. My bad. 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Now, yes, 1 ounce of fresh orange juice. A really nice twist on this guy. I really hope that you guys can get it. It is absolutely delicious, and it's gonna bring some spiciness to your life. This is actually Chile Verde, Ancho Reyes. So the Ancho Reyes is the smoky version, and it's more popular. This one is actually the Ancho Reyes Verde, which is a poblano pepper. So we're gonna go for 1/2 ounce of this guy. We're gonna put 2 dashes of bitters. In this case, we are using the Woodford Reserve spice cherry bitters. We're gonna use 1 ounce of Orgeat or almond syrup. Now that we have all these guys, let's give a good shake to our cocktail. Put some fresh ice. Strain our guy right here. It's a little over the actual glass. Maybe I need the other tulip a little bit taller. But for garnish, if you can find a siren, taking a nice bath on this part of the Tiki cocktail.
Mermaid.
Mermaid. I'm sorry. What did I say?
Siren.
Es sirena.
Mermaid.
Okay, for the garnish, we're gonna have a beautiful mermaid and a dehydrated pineapple and an orange wheel. The whiskey cocktail, you guys, start to get and enjoy some cocktails in paradise. Cheers, everyone.